How to fix TikTok shop login problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to fix TikTok shop login problem, the solution depends on whether you are a buyer using the app or a seller using the seller center. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to check the regional access. That means ensure you are using the correct URL for your regions like UK or US seller base. Next, you also need to clear your browser if you're using a browser version of it. So what you need is, if you are using the browser, just open the browser, tap the three dot icon, and go to delete browsing data, and this should be able to help you out. Next, what you could also do is, you could just exit out, go to settings on your device, and locate settings. Here it is. Or locate apps and go to seller center. Over here, you just want to make sure to tap on storage and cache and make sure to clear cache. This should also definitely help you out. So these are a couple of things you could try to fix your TikTok shop login problem. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.